So Tim asks, we need more pickled vegetables on our plates. And I think that's a good comment. Pickled vegetables are great. I didn't do too much pickling until my last cookbook. My last cookbook, the healthy sous vide one. And I did two different pickled vegetable recipes in there, and it kind of opened up how easy using sous vide for pickling is. I did a cucumber, just a normal dill pickle recipe, and that one I cooked at I think 140, 145, and that doesn't really tenderize the cucumbers much, so they keep all their crispness while getting the flavors of pickling. And the other recipe I did there was a spicy carrot recipe, high enough to start to tenderize the vegetables. And the biggest benefit I think with sous vide when you're pickling things is you can tell really how much you want it to be tenderized. The longer you leave it in, the more tender the vegetables you're going to get. And so it's really easy if you follow a normal pickling process. I haven't used the canning because the canning process and the temperatures used, I haven't done enough research to feel comfortable having shelf-stable pickles. But for normal vinegar pickles, sous vide works great. Make a normal pickling brine, fill a container with carrots or green beans or any vegetable, put the brine in there and sous vide it for 40 to 60 minutes depending on the vegetable, and you're going to have really good pickles. So it's a good way to make pickles, and there's not much cleanup, which I always find as a big benefit. So I agree, get more pickles, and it's a good way to do it is using sous vide.